Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into Avery Dennison's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Avery Dennison, a leader in materials science and digital identification solutions, has just released their Q3 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Avery Dennison reported net sales of $2.2 billion for Q3 2025, which is a 1.5% increase from the previous year. However, their net income saw a decline. John, can you explain this?
Absolutely. While the net sales increased slightly, the net income decreased by 8.5% to $166.3 million. This was primarily due to higher costs and a reported EPS of 2.3 cents. However, on an adjusted basis, the EPS was $2.37, which is a 2% increase and above the forecasted 2.32, indicating strong operational performance despite the challenges.
Segment performance. John, can you break down the performance by segment for us?
Sure. The Materials Group reported sales of $1.5 billion, a 1.2% increase, with an adjusted operating margin of 15.2%, up 40 basis points. The Solutions Group saw a 2.0% increase in sales to $700 million, but their adjusted operating margin decreased by 130 basis points to 10.0%. This was due to higher employee-related costs, which offset productivity gains.
Strategic initiatives and capital deployment. Let's talk about Avery Dennison's strategic initiatives and capital deployment. What are the key highlights here?
The company returned $670 million to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, buying back 2.5 million shares. They also issued 500 million euros in senior notes to fund acquisitions and repay debt. Notably, they acquired Meridian Adhesives Group for $390 million, which is expected to enhance their product offerings in the U.S. flooring industry.
Guidance and future outlook. Looking ahead, what guidance has Avery Dennison provided for the next quarter?
For Q4 2025, Avery Dennison expects an adjusted EPS between 2.35 and 2.45 cents. The company is focusing on high-value categories and maintaining cost controls. Their disciplined capital allocation strategy remains a priority, aiming to drive profitable growth over the cycle.
Key takeaways. In summary, Avery Dennison delivered a solid quarter with a slight increase in sales and an adjusted EPS that beat expectations. Their strategic acquisitions and disciplined capital deployment are set to support future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Avery Dennison's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Avery Dennison's performance in the comments below.